Here is a quick tip on how to make growing your business and improving your business easier. It's based on the 5 Ps, where you have the problem that people are looking to get solved. What is that problem specifically? What product, second P, do you have that solves that problem? Then there's the process. That's the third P. What is your process for finding the right people and getting in front of them? Which brings us to the fourth P. Who are the right people? Because if you try to sell to the wrong ones, you're going to be churning a lot of time and wasting a lot of effort and resources. And then once you have the conversation with the people, once they know about you, once they are asking about your solution, what promise do you make them? It's really important that you have clearly defined all these 5 elements. Which problem? What product solves the problem? What is the process for you to show up to the people who need that problem? Who are those people? And what promise are you making to those people? These are the 5 Ps. Think about how they apply to your business, and you'll very likely find that in one of the 5 or more, something is broken, something is missing, something is out of alignment. Fix that, and you'll find that your entire lead generation process gets a lot more efficient and effective. If you want to have a short daily email in your inbox about ethical sales growth, about ethical selling and business growth, go to martinsteller.com, sign up there, and I'll see you soon. Take care.